23 days young of the kittens of Gain having another sunshine bath. Asimay tabiwa, asimay 31, sa tabi 1, asimay 31, and an orange and white one. 23 days old, days young kitten. Afof, what? Afof. Hi, hi. And the elder ones are over here. Hey, Mama. Mama is not listening. Went downstairs. Matadat la di mo. Hindi kay matadat. Mama Charlotte, ang tulo ka kitten, may managko ni sis. Awaf, namatay ng usaman. Ang usa nga proparihaan, yung kinadakaan, gimi kabalong nga no. Datugan bas inahan, o unsa. No sa to namatay dong? Nalimot na ko. Hi, mama. Mama Dindin. Ayaw sa diri. Lulu healthy. Ayaw sa diri Lulu healthy. Ito kaubos Lulu healthy. And the elder ones are already accepting them. Previously, when there are kittens, newly born ones, they hiss at them. They don't like to be near them. Now, they are smelling them, accepting them. What does that mean, ha? Managko mo, ha? Ay gidawat naman mo. I will give them names when they reach 2 months. Okay, it's so sad giving them names and then they'll pass. 2 months na. Hayay, Mama Dindin. Halina Dindin. Ngita na ni mo imong mga anak din. We can have sunshine on upstairs every morning. Afof. Anina. Afof, sabaan ikaw ay sabaan. Sabaan ikaw. Matadat. Afof. Dindin. Halina din. Ang ilang mama si Gain. Jain. Dirito ganiha pagsaka na mo. Ninaog man noon.